Today we're going to take this 52-100 chef's knife and turn it into a roller bearing.
Wait, doesn't that kind of defeat the purpose of the first video?
Oh yeah. We're going to finish this 52-100 chef's knife that we made from a roller bearing. We're going to take a lot of weight off this fat boy, so let's head to the grinder. We're going to use some Trizac belts, take it all the way up to 400 grit, then use a Scotch-Brite belt to clean things up, and then when we're all done, we're going to put a forced patina finish on this one. I think it's going to look cool. As you can see from the bird's eye view how extreme the tapers are on this, from tip to plunge and also from ricasso to the end of the handle of the knife. Now that we got it ground and ready for the final finish on it, we're going to move on to the handle work. That went a little smoother than I thought it would go.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Forged this from a 52-100 roller bearing. You can check that out in the last video. It's an integral chef's knife. It has a nice taper this way, a nice taper this way, some curly, dyed and stabilized curly maple scales, brass Corby bolts, a forced patina on it, and I think it looks pretty cool. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Thanks.